What's something people don't know about Bluetooth issues on their OnePlus 13? They're often super easy to fix. First things first, toggle Bluetooth off and on. It's like giving it a quick nap. Still glitchy? Try restarting your phone. Sometimes all it needs is a fresh start. Next, check for updates. Go to Settings, tap System, then System Updates. A little update might just do the trick. Got connection issues? Forget and repair your device in Bluetooth settings. Make sure it's compatible and within range. No walls, no worries. For audio hiccups, check volume levels on both devices. And don't forget to clear the Bluetooth cache under Settings. Fresh start, clean slate. If all else fails, reset network settings. Or try safe mode to catch any sneaky apps causing trouble. As a last resort, factory reset your phone. Don't forget to back up your data. Still stuck? Reach out to OnePlus support or visit a service center. They'll have your back.